Hey guys, and welcome back to Gravey's Brewery with me, Gareth Goes Gravy. And guys, for this video, as you can see, I'm at it. And for the first official video here on Gravey's Brewery in 2023, Happy New Year to everybody, by the way. This particular brew is my attempt at a 1 gallon Parti Gyle. Now, I don't know if I'll be able to do this or not. I don't think I will. But there is my current mash. The mash for the first beer, which I'm hoping is probably going to be upwards of a double IPA-ish beer. Who knows? According to the Grainfather app on my phone and on my computer, the recipe that I've got, which I'll show you in a second, is going to have a first runnings beer of around about 8.8%. I'll be very impressed if I do. I don't know what the second runnings beer will be. Guess we'll find out, and I will report back when that happens. But anyway, I'll show you the grain bill. Okay, so this is the grain bill. Again, a 1 gallon batch, probably actually could serve a 2 gallon batch. I don't know. Well, there's the weight anyway, 1,839 grams, 1.8 kilo. 1800 grams, excuse me, of Marisota, 22 grams carapils, 17 grams of wheat malt. I'm just going to have this kind of single hop style, just using Challenger. It's one of my favorite hops. And behind me, in fact, two lots, one for each beer. Safale US05. So that is the or my recipe. I'll pop it down there in the description. I'll also pop a link to this particular recipe that I have uploaded up on from Grainfather. I'll pop that down there so that you can see what exactly I'm going to hopefully do with the Challenger hops in terms of the hop schedule. And as I said, first time I have attempted a Parti Gyle. First time I've ever seen anybody attempt a 1 gallon Parti Gyle. That'll be interesting to see just what range of ABVs I can get out of one grain bill. Guess we'll see. And as always, guys, I will report back in due course with both beers once they are fermented and ready to drink. Might make that one of my future videos. Anyway. Oops, sorry guys. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed this video, guys. As always, let me know down there in the comments. If you have any general queries, questions, or even tips and hints as to whether you've done something like this and whether it turned out right for you, do me a favor, guys. Let me know down there. Right, guys, well, that's all I've got for you for now. So until next time, from Gravey's Brewery, this has been Gareth Goes Gravy. I'll see you later. Cheers.